It is important that you understand the difference between what is viewed in the model and what is re-symbolized in the drawing. In this session, we will review the output from the model and note that the objects like doors and windows are re-symbolized in the plan drawing. From the Manage View Groups tools on the lower right of the interface, select the View Group pull-down. Select the View Group Drawing 1. This will open the model of the plan drawing. Note that the architectural drawing also includes the structural elements since we have the 3D structural model referenced to the 3D architectural model, making it part of the cut view of the model that is referenced here to the drawing. Zoom in to the exterior wall to see that the brick and block layers of the wall have been re-symbolized to show standard hatching patterns for these materials. Line weights have been modified to show the elements that are cut versus shown in the forward view. This re-symbolization is based on the family and part assigned to these elements. Elements in the back view, elements above the cut plane, have been re-symbolized with a dashed line style. Doors are shown with a 2D graphic showing the door is open. This is standard drawing convention. Note also that doors and windows have annotation showing the door type that was assigned when they were placed in the model. If that property is changed in the model, it would automatically change in the drawing. Select the View Group Drawing 2. This will open the model of the cross-section drawing. Note that the walls are re-symbolized here in the same way they were re-symbolized in the plan. Note also that in the forward view, a pattern has been added to show the masonry block on the interior face of the wall. Again, this is based on the render material defined by the family and part. Select the View Group Drawing 3. This will open the model of the front elevation drawing. You will note the brick pattern on the brick wall. Select the View Group Drawing 4. This will open the model of the platform elevation drawing. Select the View Group Sheet 1 to view the current status of the sheet. The drawings now reflect the current state of the 3D model. They have come a long way from the conceptual drawings viewed earlier. However, we still have just a conceptual shape as a placeholder for the platform canopy. In the next chapter, we will cover some advanced modeling techniques so that you can model more than standard shapes and objects, but rather anything you can imagine.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.